Hi everyone, Divya Pandit here. So here we start with the next zodiac sign, that is Cancer. Cancer 2024 August. But before I go ahead with the reading, please press the bell icon, subscribe to my channel, because that is like an energy exchange you give me for the all the free videos that I make. All that you can do is just subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon, and you'll get a lot of blessings from me. And please email me for paid appointment. So let's see what we have for Cancer in August. So the first week for Cancerian is coming with a lot of confusion, things that things are not clear for you in the first week. You'll feel very low, you'll feel very confused. You are not able to see the truth. There are a lot of people, I think, talking to you in front of you, or there is an argument going on, and you can't decide who is right or who's wrong. Here, there's a lot of hidden enemies, a lot of hidden energy. There are people who are conspiring behind your back, and you're not able to see that. So, be very, very careful, Cancerians, in the first week. First week is coming with a lot of feeling of low, probably go into depression, probably you will not feel good mentally. So please take care of your mental health. Having salt water baths regularly helps you balance your energy. So please keep removing your nazar also. Do the camphor remedy which I have mentioned. I have even made a shorts on it. Go and burn some camphor on the main door. That will actually help you with the backbiting and the enemies that are behind you, people who are conspiring behind you. So be very careful. Take a torch and leave home. Means you don't actually have to take a torch, but you can chant some mantra for mental clarity. You can just chant Kali Ma's mantra, Om Am Reem Reem Chamundai Viche, which will actually give you a lot of protection. Okay. Second week is coming with a lot of circumstances that you feel that if you move or if you say anything, people are going to backlash at you. You will feel very stuck in a situation. Very, very stuck in a situation. Third week, probably there's a lot of health issue coming, or there's a lot of toxic energy, lot of toxic people are around you. So you might feel that there are a lot of psychic attacks on you. Okay, please be careful. I would suggest just get a puja or some grah shanti done at this time, which will really help you and give you a lot of protection. Even I feel there's a lot of trauma kind of energy. Probably the situation will give you a lot of trauma. Okay, there will be somebody who will purposely trigger things in your life or purposely try to trouble you. I see it could be person in your office who is purposely trying to give you a trauma, or somebody around you who cannot see that you are happy. Okay, just be careful. When it comes to money, let me tell you, there is a lot of under the table money coming at this time. You will be offered a lot of money which is under the table, which is not legal. Let me give you an advice on this. This is a year of Shani. Please do not go for anything like that, because the money that you will earn at this time, probably you will feel very happy I earned this money, but this is all going to be very, very negative in the future, because Shani does not like all this. He will not entertain anybody doing any such thing. Okay. Now, the fourth week is coming with a very slow energy, very relaxed energy. Probably you'll be connecting with your mother more, or probably there will be someone who will be very mother like around you. In the fourth week, you will feel very abundant, very, very happy, very, very grounded. You will be very creative, or probably you will spend time with any such person in your life. Okay. So Cancerians really need to take care in the month of August, because it's coming with a lot of things. Just keep chanting, keep cleansing your aura. That will really help you to get through this month. Okay. Let's see what we have in your relationship area. Shani takes a lot of tests, let me tell you. So if you pass in the test, he will give you a lot of abundance in the future. Okay. Let's see what we have in your relationship area. Right now, I feel things are not moving forward in your relationship. You're wanting to move on from a lot of toxic energy. You're just imagining, thinking, daydreaming probably. Let me check your blocks. A decision has to be made, and which you are really considering sitting and thinking whether I should do it or I should not. You want to make all your dreams come true. You want to do everything that you've ever thought of. Here, cleansing your aura constantly is advised. Can you see this? Constantly cleansing your aura and healing is constantly advised. Okay, in the month of August. In the month of August, to succeed in your relationship, here, first you have to come out of your past thinking where probably felt very controlled in a relationship. Okay, you need to detach from something that is controlling you behind. Now, what controls us behind? Our inner child issues, our past issues. So, all that is right now controlling you, and that control you need to come out of. The day you come out of this control issue, probably your parents are very dominating, or your, brothers, sisters were very dominating. You were listening to everybody, or you were just getting controlled by your friends. It could be anything. So, the minute you come out of the control, your relationship is going to blossom even more, and you're going to do very well in life. Here, if you are a single person, let me tell you, the only block that you have is your past issue, probably very strict parents, very strict environment, and that is controlling you even today. So the minute you come out of it, you're going to attract the right person in your life. And if right now you have a relationship, that relationship will blossom if you come out of this. Okay, in the month of August, please work on this. And when you do in the month of August work on this, believe me, things are going to change. If you need any kind of inner child healing, I am right here. Please come and take a paid appointment, because I think Cancerians, you all need to release that control issue from your life. Otherwise, your stomach will not be good. Stomach, acidity issues, digestion issues, all show up when you are, getting controlled by other people a lot. Right? So let's see what message we have from Ganeshji. Courage. Wow. Ganeshji says courage is the key. Your courage is here in your solar plex. Here. Be confident, be courageous. If you're letting go of people, even though they are your family members, nothing is wrong. Because if they are creating any kind of toxic environment in your life, you need to be courageous and be courageous enough to walk away. Right? That's all. Please don't forget to subscribe and take a appointment if you need any kind of healing and tarot session, and email me for that. That's all for today. Goodbye. God bless. Bye.